For more than 45 years, we've been helping people build better solar systems. Today, we're excited to introduce a brand new way to shop with us. Same team, same expertise, brand new website. We've redesigned the entire experience to make it faster and easier to find exactly what you're looking for. Whether you're building an off-grid cabin, upgrading your home, or sourcing equipment for your next installation, everything has been reorganized with you in mind. One of the biggest improvements is our product navigation. We've simplified our categories and made browsing much more intuitive, so you can get the products that you need with fewer clicks. Finding the right equipment is faster than ever. Once you're browsing, you'll notice improved filtering options. Shop by manufacturer, price, and other product details to narrow down your search and compare options more efficiently. Looking for complete systems? Our solar kit pages have also been reorganized with a cleaner layout, making it easier to compare kits and choose the one that's right for your project. Product pages have received a major refresh as well. You'll find cleaner product descriptions, downloadable documentation, specifications, and on many products, side-by-side comparisons that make selecting the right option even easier. We've also completely restructured our resources section. Whether you're looking for shipping information, returns, promotions, or educational content in our library center, everything is now easier to find and better organized. Getting help is easier too. Need a quote? You can use our load calculator and request a customized system code directly from the website. Have a quick sales question? There's a dedicated form for that. Need customer service, technical support, design assistance? Each department now has its own streamlined contact option, helping your questions reach the right team faster. And of course, we're still here if you need us. We continue to offer phone consultations, design assistance, technical support, and in-person support from our experienced team. Our website may be new, but what hasn't changed is our commitment to help you build reliable solar systems with expert support every step of the way. So take a look around, explore the new features, and let us know what you think. Welcome to the new NAZ Solar Electric website.